I'm starting types of function. There are different types of function. Into function, all right. Onto function, one to one function. Three types of functions. What is the first type? When range is not completely utilized, means that input is not completely range is not, all right. Output value is not completely utilized. Okay. Onto functions when range is completely utilized called onto functions. Okay. And the last is one to one function. Both domain and range does not repeat. We have already discussed this type of function. There's some more types. Bijective function. Okay. When bijective means bi means two. When a function is one to one and as well as onto function, it contains both the properties, then we call it bijective function. Okay. Constant function. Constant function is the function when range of the function is limited to a single element only. All right. एक एलिमेंट होगा सिर्फ रेंज में. ओके. Circular function. What is circular function? Circular. This is L. Sorry, circular function. Okay. When range is limited means for ellipse and circle. Circle and ellipse are circular. When the range is limited for the limit set of domains. इसकी जो रेंज होती है वो लिमिटेड होती है. ठीक है. Is limited for the limited set of domains. Okay. Periodic function. Periodic function, you must familiar with this. Periodic function when range repeats after a specified interval. After a specified interval, we use this periodic function in trigonometric ratios. These all are the types of functions. I've made all these relations. You can see I've taken two sets A and B, and if a relation is given to us A to B, there are three relations, binary relations, 1, 3, 2, 3, and 3 of 4. Input is completely utilized 1, 2, 3 as in A 1, 2, 3, but output से 3 और 4 सिर्फ यूटिलाइज्ड हो रहे हैं, 3 4 हैं और 5 नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है. रेंज तो पूरी बी में से ही आ रही है लेकिन 5 नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है. तो रेंज पूरी यूटिलाइज नहीं हो रही. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इज कॉल्ड इनटू फंक्शन. ओके. 5 नहीं है बाइनरी रिलेशंस में. ठीक है. दूसरे में देखें, इसमें डोमेन है, देखें 1 1. एक्स की वैल्यू रिपीट हो रही है. मैंने बताया था आपको पहले कि जब एक्स की वैल्यू रिपीट हो जाएगी तो इट इज़ नॉट अ फंक्शन. It is not a function. Okay. Now talking about the third one. 1, 2, 3. All domains are good. 3, 4, 5. Range is also in B set, and domain is also in the A set. So it is called onto function. When both are present, range and domain, and it's called onto function. 1, 2, 3 in the last example. 1, 2, 3. Domain is available in the set A, but range is also complete. So we will write it as onto function. Okay. Now let's see if X is repeating or not. Nowhere it's repeating. It's 1, 2, 3, not repeating. Now let's see what's repeating in these examples. Let's see the first example, 1, 2, 3. X is not repeating, but Y is repeating 3 and 3. When the Y is repeating, then we call it as many to one. Okay, many to one function. When ये function ही नहीं है, second example. In this example, third, X is also not repeating and Y is also not repeating. When both are not repeating, then we call the function is at 1 to 1 function. Okay. In this function also, no value is repeating nor of X and nor of Y, then 1 to 1 function. Okay. In this case, third example is when the case is also onto function and 1 to 1, then we call it as bijective function. Okay, it is called bijective function.